Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Hawre, an English language teacher who published more than 100 videos on my channel. This video will be different because I will talk in English rather than Kurdish. I want this video to go viral for the nations. People in other countries can benefit from it. That's why it should be in English, but certainly there will be subtitles in Kurdish. Well, so the very, very, very common problem that our learners have is inability to speak. They cannot speak. I have received outnumbered of messages telling me, teacher, I can understand you. I can understand English, but when it comes to speaking, I cannot. Why this happens and how to overcome. We're going to talk about that. First of all, why this happens. Look, in English, we have 4 skills. Okay? Each skill should be developed individually. But you did not develop your speaking skill. That's why you cannot speak, but you can understand because you've heard a lot, and you're still learning by hearing, either from a movie, your friends, or whatever. Imagine, this is just to make you understand. Imagine you go to gym for a month. You train your arms, but you're not going to train your legs. What happens after a month? Your arms will get very strong and maybe muscular, but your legs, what about your legs? They will remain weak. And your speaking skill is weak because you didn't train them. You didn't train your speaking skill. Don't tell me I'm continuously memorizing words that I cannot speak. These words will just go to your passive vocabulary. Whenever you hear this word, you remember it and you remember the meaning, but you cannot speak it. You should gently shift the position of these passive vocabularies to your active vocabulary that you can remember whenever you need. How to do this? Guys, I will tell you a plan based on my own experience. It's a very, very simple plan. Very simple to understand and to do it. You should have 30 minutes per day to do this plan, okay? And don't get discouraged by 2 or 3 days. This plan may take about a month to feel that, come on, this plan works, thanks to Mr. Hawre. The plan is choose a topic or something to talk about in front of a mirror or by recording yourself on your mobile. Just like me, I'm recording on my mobile. For example, it is you, not me, talking about this computer, talking about Microsoft Word, talking about Google Chrome. Choose the title and just talk. Just talk. Don't get discouraged if you forgot a word, if you stopped for a while. This happens to everyone, okay? This happens to everyone. Don't get discouraged by this stuff. But this plan can be enhanced. How? Today, you are learning 5 new English words about house, about your room, stuff we have in a room, okay? For example, one of them is jar, flower. Write down these words you've learned and make imaginary situation. In that imaginary situation, use the words. Use them. That way you will not forget any of them. I promise you will not forget any of them. Okay, so to wrap it up, what is the idea? Idea is to choose a topic each day for 30 minutes. It can be more than one topic because 30 minutes is enough for 5 topics, I think. You're going to choose a topic. You talk, you record yourself. And you use the new vocabularies that you learned. You use the vocabularies that you just know when you hear it. Write down vocabularies, use it. This is my own method. One more method which is super powerful. And I recommend you to do both of them actually. And it is imitation. Imitation. Guys, pick your favorite speaker on YouTube. If you don't have it, it is okay. Just write English language speech for learning English, write these. And put like earphones, try to imitate, to copy what the speaker is saying without thinking about some certain words that you may not understand or you may not able to pronounce. Just imitate, 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 imitate. This technique is very useful because it makes you to speak. It makes you to speak. This is very important. Whatever makes you, encourages you to speak, that would definitely be helpful for you. This is my video for today. I wish you got some benefits from it. And if you do this technique, after a month, you'll thank me, I promise. This method works. I've tried this method like 6 years ago. 6 years ago, I tried the methods, and they were super powerful for me, super beneficial for me. Until another video, have a good time, but please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of our new videos. Bye-bye.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.